Hello everybody. It'll be a bit quiet. There's somebody a little bit hungry out here. There's a little baby. I want food. Where's my mummy? Oh wow, it's a young bird. That's a very young bird. So where's mummy? Mummy's supposed to be coming to feed me. Really? Where'd you go? Oh, I've lost you. Lost you on the viewfinder. I can see you, but I can't see you on the viewfinder. There you are. Just a youngster. Looking for food. My parents are supposed to be feeding me. Being pestered by the neighbours. He's just sitting on the car. Ready for the car. Oh no, there's parents. Oh, I don't know if you can really see that. The sun's really on the wrong angle. Up there. So that's the baby, and the parent just came down and fed him. Hey, little baby. He says, there's a little baby up there. Tastes like chicken. Hello. Oh, wow, you are young. He's trying to be very quiet, aren't you? So nobody can see me. If I'm really, really quiet. Looking at me. Oh. He's gone. After Mum. He's hunting rats. He said, I know there's rats here. I know there is too. That's why all this has been pulled down. Because there's a big rat's hole there. Check that out. Oh, hang on. If I zoom out a bit. I'll try and get over. Walking over this stuff. But yeah, there's a... Look at that hole. I put some mesh over it because she was attacking it. Huh. And Dougie next door knows there's rats there too. Don't you, mister? Yeah. They're living behind that fence there. On the other side of the big shed. And that's where they're all hiding. And they will be. See, I know there's something there. Everybody knows there's something there. Hey? Oh, I've got to throw all this out. Ooh, walk across it. Junk. We've got a garbage clean up. We have curbside cleanups every now and again. So I'm going to throw that out the front. And couple of weeks, so pick it up. So I think it's in 1 week. So not this week, but next week I think that they're doing the clean up. Okay, there's some stuff. Rubbish. My bananas are growing. Oh, it looks like I'm getting chilies. Oh, boy next door is still talking away. Oh yeah, the chilies. They're all coming up. Look at them all. Little chilies. I don't think you want these chilies, my boy. Yeah, I hear you. And my bananas are getting there. Oh, there's a double banana there. See, double banana coming up there. I know, Wolfie. Yes, you hear the boy next doors, do you? Hey, you hear the boy next doors running up and down. Anyway, enjoy yourselves. Oh, I feel like I'm in a jungle here. And all these bananas and trees and chilies. Fortunately, that's the only one I've got so far. Last year I had 3, but I haven't got anything from the others yet. Have a good day, all. Oh, hang on a moment. What have we got? We've got another bunch of bananas coming. Well. I didn't even know. So we've got 2 bunches of bananas. Cool. 2 bunches of bananas and a whole heap of chilies. God, tree. That bush is just covered in chilies. Absolutely covered. Anybody want a chili? They're hot. Well, have a good day as a big birdie flies over, metal one. I'll catch up with you soon. It's this boy that's trying to make himself through the fence. Aren't you? You just see him. See you all.